Hi guys, today I'm going to share you is that the one verse of the chapter 6 lines and angles. So you can see 6.2 basic terms and definitions. Recall that a part or portion of a line with two ends is called a line segment. So this is the first one word. The part of a line with the two end points is called line segment. Next is a part of a line with one end point is called a ray. Next is if three or more points lies on the same line, they are called collinear points. And if three or more points does not lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. Next, the angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoints. Next is that the rays making an angle are called the arms of the angle, and the endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. Next, the types of angles. There are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Okay. Next is an acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degree. Next is right angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. An angle greater than 90 degree. This is another one word. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. It is less than 180 degree. Recall that a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So straight line is equal to also 180 degree. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Next is two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. So this is also two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. And two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. The difference between complementary angles is that the two angles which we can sum two angles we get 90 degree. In the supplementary angle, when we add two angles we will get 180 degree. So next is that one word. Next is that axism 6.1. It is also a one word like question. It will come for your examination. So that I am going to say, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180 degree. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is formed is 180 degree. It is very important. Axiom 6.1. Recall when the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are called linear pair of angles. The two adjacent angle is called 180 degree, so they are called linear pair of the angles. Next is axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, the two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are called non-common arms of the angles form a line. The two adjacent angles is 180 degree, so they are called non-common arms of the angle form a line. Next is the two axisms above together is called the two axisms above together is called linear pair axism. Okay, next is theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect like this, they intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angles are equal. Next is here note this example. here you can see, recall that a line which intersects two or more lines at a distance. So you can see here a line which intersects two or more lines at distant points is called transversal line. Next is that you can see, I will say one more time, that a line which intersects two or more lines at distant points is called a transversal line. You can see here line which intersect two or more lines. Here only two lines, two, we can two. So next is angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are called angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are called exterior angles, while angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are called interior angles. Next is interior angles on the same side of the transversal are also referred to as consecutive interior angles or allied angles or co-interior angles. Next is axism 6.3. If a transversal intersects two or parallel lines, then each pair of the corresponding angles is equal. If transversal intersects two parallel angles, then each pair corresponding angles is equal. Next is axiom 6.3 is also referred to as an corresponding angles axiom. It is also considered to as a corresponding angles of axism. So part 1 is this. So please subscribe our channel for new videos. Thank you.